Hello from the House of Foxes. Of course, this isn't a fox. This is a West Highland Terrier, the best West Highland Terrier in the world. So, what could be more Kestenbaum than doing a video that's years behind the trend? I finally, after a lifetime of meaning to, bought myself a first-rate base. So I thought, why not do an unboxing video? I have no idea how this is going to go, but check it out. It's a box. Isn't that awesome? It's a box.
This makes it the House of Boxes.
Oy vey. For those of you who don't have a lot of Jewish friends, oy vey is Yiddish for ayah. Fragile. Fragile. I don't know what it means.
Must be Italian.
From New York. Can't figure out what that might mean. But Spectre bases are quality bases. The reason I can play bass at all is my friend Lou was kind enough to loan me a bass of his when I was 22. The reason I can play guitar at all is that my dear friend Lizette loaned me her guitar when I was 20-something. And the story of the Maury is having friends is worth having. Half of success in life is just showing up. Get off your butt and go someplace. Do a thing, and you'll meet folks. Some of them you might even like. I'll be honest with you. I would have preferred a slightly more interesting color than this, but color's not important after all. The bass player doesn't have to look at it. You do. Ladies and gentlemen, the Spectre NS. The good stuff. Solid, heavy. If you look at the back, then you'll be very bored. There's a preamp in here which massages the sound before it gets the amplifier. And you're saying to yourself, well, gosh, Mr. K, what does it sound like? I'll tune it up, I'll plug it into the amp, and there you go. So, having spent 2 minutes with the bass, I'm happy about it. By the way, here at the House of Foxes, we encourage everyone to be the mango. It's plush. Look at that, isn't that nice? Anyway, the bass. It's got punch. The point is, you need to be able to get through only electric guitar players and keyboardists. I am happy. Of course, there's always a learning curve, but in case you're interested, it sounds a bit like this. Way down in Louisiana, close to New Orleans. I've already messed up the song. But that's a fine thing. And I, for one, like a 2-octave fretboard. Oh, really holds it there. Time to practice. Thanks for joining me, folks. Be cool.